Okay, what's up, guys? Quick one. We used to hear about this Seedance 2.0. You don't know how to access it. You have to pay. You have to go to openers and pay for the credit and stuff like that. And to get a free AI tool is very difficult now. And those ones that are claiming they are free, if you go there want to generate, find out you cannot generate more than maybe one or two or three in a day. Do you get? So, well, we found out that there's a particular website you can even download it as an app. You get, you can go to Google and also use the platform. So the platform is very very new, so jump into it now. The earlier the better. So first I'm going to take you to Google and search for $AI. So let's search that. So you can see it here, that's it there. So let's sign up. If you've not signed up, you can actually sign up, because that's the first step. So I'm already logged in, but you can actually put your stuff and log in. If you have a Gmail, you can do it with your Gmail. That's your Google mail. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to pick one of my mail, maybe this or this. Let me pick the second, not the first one. So you continue. So you are going to confirm your age. If you are below 18, you have to indicate. So I'm above 18. You just click that confirm. Quickly because of our time. So we are inside the interface of the new app. So it's just like ChatGPT. You can actually ask it to generate an image for you. You can actually ask it to generate video for you. Do you get? So you can actually just give it text for it to turn that text into video, or turn the image into video. Whatever type of video you want to make, it can actually handle it. And it's using Seedance. Do you understand? So if you click on this more here, you're going to see what it can actually do. So if you want to create image now, just click on create image. So let's create an image now. I don't have any prompts, but I'm just going to come up with any prompt idea. Maybe I'll just say a man talking into a microphone in his expensive studio. So let's do that. So we can actually choose our ratio, that's the size that we want. So you click on these three dots beneath here that you can see down here. These three dots you can see down here. So you can click on your ratio and select the ratio that I want. For this image, I want a 16:9 desktop ratio. So I can also select the style, whatever style that I want. So I want a 3D style. Pick that 3D style. That's it. Then I'm good to go. So I'm going to hit on generate. So I'm going to give the AI some time. So guys, it has generated the image for us. You can see how clean the image look. Wow, this is impressive. So the next thing we're going to do is to select the one that we want. Here's another one, here's another one, here's another one. So I just gave a random prompt, so and it tried to keep the prompts, the image according to the prompt. So let me see which one I like. Let me just pick anyone randomly, and so I don't waste your time. So I've downloaded it. You just click on the image and you see the download button will appear and you download it. Do you understand? So we want to animate this now. So you can just go to new chat. You get, click on this button here, this plus by your left, click on it, then click on and select it. So what do we want this image to do? I will just say character should sing any song. Okay, character should sing any song. So this is just for educational purpose. So I just want you to know what it can do and all about this particular platform. Okay, so let me send it now. Okay. So we're going to give it time to actually generate this video. It does not take too long. You see, it has sent a message saying that this video will generate using what Seedance 2.0 model. So, and this is free. You can generate as many videos as you want. So we're going to give it, as it has said, 1 to 3 minutes to generate this video. So I'm going to come back. Our video is ready. So we're going to open it now. Let's see what it has generated. Oh, wow, this is so amazing. So if you want to download it, you just click on this blue button up here and you can actually download the video, and that's it. So you can go and try the platform out. There are many things you can actually do. You can actually turn it to your chatbot, where you can be asking, not like ChatGPT that you cannot use, and some certain features you cannot use. Another chatbot that you can, that certain features too that you cannot use. But this has everything. You can generate your cinematic image, you can even generate video, you can ask it all kinds of tasking questions and it will give you accurate answers. So thank you. See you in another video. Please, most important thing, if you look at this channel now, I'm struggling to have subscribers. Please help me subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.